Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phibaro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Umantri rangba kajala Conrad ki Sangma menta kasni ulapli paidbah eka STEM Fusion a one-day workshop but student exhibition kabla pelong daga North East Center for Technology Application and Research Nectar ringkat ke Smart Village Movement but ka IISER Pynmih State Convention Center Shillong. Conrad ulakin mawi kisni puli jong u but ula ong ba kajing puli science but mathematics ka jukta yaki kena namar kalong ka wi ka subject ka ba kisngo shepti. Ulong ru kalong ka ek ka basngo sir but bom da sngo tanat ban puli science but maths but nganget babun ki kena ru menta kidang don kajing mut kumjo. Umantri rangba ula ong ru ba ka sarkar ba kiseng kum connector but smart village movement kitre borba ban pelong yaka STEM Science Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. Kaba kentupru ya ka science ban maths bakan nong kaba sngotenan. Kaba kring bat kaba penslur ya ki kena. Kane kade kalenti ban Pynmih ya ka jingkwa atip ba ka jingkmen haki kena haba ki perkhat shapang ka STEM ula ong ula ai jingmutru ba de bandan shishu ki lab bat wat ki lab on wheels lani mobile labs ban yorung shaki benta ba pher jong ka jila. Hagabakut jong ka jingkren. Conrad ula ong baki kam kum kini kimla aban tray tang marwe henry ki don kam ya ka jingya tray lang jong baro ki benta kum katanat puli connecta. Kinong shna kam bat ki weide ki riukla. Ula kentu bade ban thau shu iki STM labs ha ki jaka nong kendong ban ailat iki kena ban yo riang jingtem. Umantri rangba ula penna paidbah ban ai khusnam ya ka science exhibition da ka pisa alak tingka na ka benta kanam la du bawan baar sanpho hajar balai shipo hajar na ka benta man ka school lani group ki bashim benta ula pennaru baki katu kat ni ki project bathamai jong ki kena kan sha jin bar ka sarkar kan ai jingira pisa ban pinkala longkam. Hagani ka program la Sakhi Langdo Principal Secretary Sampat Kumar u Director General Connector Arun Kumar Sharma u Vivek Shah na ka Smart Village Movement Dr. S. Muthu Kumaran ubde u HOD ka Metallurgical and Mineral Engineering NIT but u Director ka Tanat Puli ka Sarkar Meghalaya.
Just want to announce to all of you that number one, I'll be giving a participatory amount. Each group that has participated will be giving about, for my Chief Minister's special grant, I'll give 10,000 rupees to all the groups. Whether you win or don't win, just for participating you're going to get that amount, okay? Then number two, there's more announcement. Number two, for the first prize, I'll give 2 lakh rupees. For second prize, I'll be giving 1 lakh rupees. For third prize, I'll give 50,000 rupees. That's my contribution to this STEM programs. But as I said, as a participatory thing, all of you will get 10,000 rupees for participating and taking the effort and doing this. So I just want to tell you, I don't think I can go to all the stalls, but really I'm super impressed with whatever I've seen. You guys all should be very proud of what you're doing, and really I feel more confident about the future of our state when I see all this kind of innovations that you guys are working on. So I just wanted to share that with you, encourage, and in the future also, as I said, and also I'll be going through the list. Oh, this is another one. This is another one. So I'll be going through these different innovations. Okay, I'll go through these different innovations and projects that you have. I will select maybe 2 or 3 projects which I think are something that I want to do and the public can be helped with, and then I will support you to build the end product for that. Okay, so there will be something. So whenever you have your technology can actually become a reality, and and you can make an actual product out of it. So I don't know which one, but I will go through all the list. So maybe my team will go through the list, and they will also then propose. Then I will also go through the list and see which one is doable, practical, and helpful to the people. And we will try to build up some prototype on that. Okay? I am actually a person who believes in competition. I want competitions at every level, because I've seen that when our children are made to participate in a competition and there is a reward for it, they actually work very hard to get that reward, and they practice for it. So whether it's music, you will see they really practice their singing. Whether it's dancing, they will really practice, because they know there's a competition coming up and there's a reward to be won once the competition, you do well in it. And sports. But for whatever reason, for us in education, we have not been able to develop this competition mode when it comes to intellectual aspects. So whereas music and skill and sports and dancing is very much part of competition spirit and activity, the intellectual aspect is not there. Starting maybe this year, we should have a science innovation competition at all the district levels, and then you should culminate it at the state level. You should have a good prize money for it, and in fact support that particular innovation to become a reality if it's good. And you can pose challenges in the competition. I think it's a great idea to open this up, especially to our students who are young, class 8, class 9, class 10. I think that is the point where they are starting to think in so many innovative manners. They're open up to new technology, ideas, information, whether it's on internet or even talking to friends. And I think it's a good time for us to put that innovative thought process and that idea that their innovation can become a reality, and to create that excitement in them. I think would be a great way would be to have these science innovation competitions. So have it at the district level, and then have it at the state level. And as I said, whatever funds are required to make it an interesting project. For example, you can have prize money amounting to 3 to 5 lakhs being given at the district level, even going up to even 15 to 20 lakhs at the state level. I think it's something that we should promote it. The children will be excited, and it's something, as I said, that will promote their interest in STEM and in general in the intellectual aspect. The second competition which I would like to also propose is a mathematics competition. I think we should have a competition in mathematics also, and our children should be, again, very excited and interested in different aspects. It could be anything. It could be fun aspects. It could be a Rubik's Cube, for example. How fast somebody can solve Rubik's Cube. It could be about addition, multiplication. All of these aspects, the children will practice, because they know that competition is coming up in 3 months' time. So I don't have time to go here and there. I want to practice, I want to learn so that I can win that competition. I think that will then also create a lot of energy and a lot of positive, culture in the minds of the children. And maybe everybody won't win, because everybody can't win, obviously. But can you imagine if 1,000 students in every district participate in that competition? That means this 1,000 kids, what they were in their mathematics and innovation and science interest, all that will go up to different levels. What the effort of Nectar, Smart Village Movement, and the government at large, whether center or state, is to be able to find a way to be able to make science, mathematics, engineering, technology, all of this fun, interesting, something that you would actually be curious about, to create that curiosity in the kids, which is not there today. I am actually a person who believes in competition. I want competitions at every level, because I've seen that when our children are made to participate in a competition and there is a reward for it, they actually work very hard to get that reward and they practice for it. So whether it's music, you will see they really practice their singing. Whether it's dancing, they will really practice because they know there's a competition coming up and there's a reward to be won once the competition, you do well in it. And so, and sports. But for whatever reason, for us in education, we have not been able to develop this competition mode when it comes to intellectual aspects. So whereas music and skill and sports and dancing is very much part of competition spirit and activity, the intellectual aspect is not there.
Hello Meghalaya turns 1!
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world, with over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya!